Welcome! If you've ever noticed Discord on your browser suddenly matching your computer's appearance settings, you're not alone. With the latest update, Discord can now sync its theme, like dark or light mode, directly with your system. But what if you want Discord to look different from the rest of your computer? Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable the sync appearance feature on Discord Web using your PC so you can pick the look that suits you best. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you're inside the settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on that to open up all the visual customization settings Discord has to offer. Here's where the magic happens. At the top, you'll notice an option related to syncing appearance with your computer. If this is turned on, Discord will automatically match its theme to whatever you've set on your PC. To break free from this sync, simply select a different mode. Choose either light or dark, depending on your preference. As soon as you make your choice, Discord will switch to that mode and stop following your computer's appearance settings. That's it! You've now taken control of how Discord looks, no matter what theme your computer is using. This is perfect if you want to keep Discord in dark mode for those late-night chats, or stick with light mode even if your system is set to dark. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.